Hi everyone, I want to welcome you especially to this week's weekly analysis. Alright, as usual, I'm going to quickly take you to the chart and begin to show you my market perception and all I'm seeing in the markets. I'm going to show you a few about the directional bias for the new week, market outlook, basically top-down analysis that would help you in succeeding in the coming week. Now make sure you do not joke with any of my weekly analysis or my live trading sessions, as it will help guide you in these very unstable markets and market that has been giving some indecisive moves. Alright, so follow me through. Let's go to the chart so I can show you a few things about the new week chart. And quickly, this is the top down for the dollar index. If we go to the 1 week time frame, you will find that it is retracing bullish, but it's still bearish. Okay, so 24-hour still bearish, retracing bullish, 4-hour bearish. So I'm going to be looking for my bearish entries on dollar index. So once I get a confirmation on the bearish entry, I'm going to be buying GU and EU. So GU for the free community, EU for the VIP community. I'll just buy, okay, at least to this up liquidity point until when I am able to know where the DXY is going, because that bearish move may not go long because it's retracing bullish. So that will be for GU. Then for the GJ, a quick top down. If you go to the 1 week time frame, you will see that it is bullish currently. It's actually bearish but retracing bullish currently. So let's look at the 24-hour. Okay, it's bullish. Then when we go to the 4-hour time frame, you see that it has been bearish but retracing bullish. Okay, so we can find bullish entries on this. If I find any bullish entry, which is the entry I've been expecting since last week, I'll just find a complete market structure shift and I'll go bullish to this point. And then the silver, a quick top down, you see that it's currently ranging at a point which I will not be taking any market entry right now until when the liquidities are taken out. So it's bullish from 1 week time frame, bullish from 24-hour, and it's bearish from 4-hour. So I'm going to be looking for bullish entries. So I'll wait for this to complete. When I have a more complete market structure shift, I'll be finding my entry. Until then, just stay active on the group, so I'll give you updates on what to do by then. And for the people USDT, I told you already that the crypto has been experiencing bullish moves, so I'll only be looking for bullish entries, of which the weekly time frame is showing a buy, the 24-hour is showing bearish, the 4-hour is showing bearish. Okay, so it might be a bearish entry, which may be risky because of the bullish run this period. So if I find bearish entries, I can try, like this entry is coming here. If you want to take it for a weekend ride, you can do, please. So shorts, if you're going to be going bearish, because the bull run or the bullish move on BTC may affect a lot of crypto. So this is what I am seeing people USD do. Then I think that will be on crypto, CFDs, Forex, and the rest of it. So for the synthetics, this is volatility 25. If you look from the 24-hour time frame, you see that it is bullish, retracing bearish though. 8-hour bullish, 4-hour bullish. So we can actually find bullish entries on jump 25. So volatility 25, once I have a bullish confirmation, like I can find a POI somewhere around here, I can find an active POI around here and just go bullish up to this point, and the stop loss is just somewhere around here. Okay, for volatility 25, and for jump 25, let's look at it quickly. If you look the top down quickly, 24-hour bearish, 8 hours. 8 hours looks bullish but retracing bearish. Okay, no, bearish but retracing bullish. 4 hour retracing bullish, so I'll look for bullish moves instead. Okay, so if I see any bullish entries, of which I am seeing a bullish entry right now, I will choose to buy, jump from this POI here, just to the next liquidity points. Okay, it doesn't look far, then stop loss should be somewhere around here. It doesn't look very far, I think it's a short move. This is what I'm seeing on jump 25. Okay, alright, I haven't seen what the market is showing for the new week. I hope you've been able to be guided on exactly what you should do, okay, what decisions you should make, what you should expect in the week, so you're not playing around in the market or in the charts and blowing up accounts, and making wrong decisions. Let your decisions be guided properly and be guided rightly. Okay, do the right things. Don't allow FOMO. FOMO means fear of missing out. Don't think you're going to be missing out. Make sure it is what you have back tested, that you find playing on the setups or the charts before you take that entry. If you go in because you felt, oh, it's going to leave me out, then you will be making certain decisions that you will not be able to account for, and in the long run you're going to find yourself blowing up accounts and losing money you shouldn't be losing ordinarily. Find the A setups, find the setups you have already back tested. Until you see them, please do not take that entry. Nothing wrong if the whole week goes by and you didn't get one entry, just like we didn't even take an entry last week. In some other previous weeks that's been like that. So if there's an entry, rejoice, be happy. If there's no entry, still be happy. At least you didn't lose your money is there. Okay, but I wish you well, rooting for you. Make sure you succeed this week. Have a great week.